Good morning, everyone. Right now, I just wanted to take a look at Arbitrum. I went ahead and mapped out a couple key levels to keep an eye on, as you can see by these horizontal lines. Very cool project. Hearing a lot of good things. It had some very impulsive price action the past few weeks, and now it seems like it is sold off like the rest of the market, and is currently, excuse me, and is currently consolidating around the $1.44 zone. So, where do I think price is going to go? Well, I guess the answer is I don't know, right? So, I don't really know where price is going to go, but what we're going to do here is just chart out a few levels. So, what I did was I pulled this fib, as you can see, from the bottom to the top of this impulse, and right here is the golden pocket. So, it's currently just hovering over this zone. Do I think it's going to go higher? Maybe. It is currently sitting above this, well, actually right below this horizontal support resistance zone, but it's still above the golden pocket. It wicked to it, found a little bit of strength, and it's now consolidating. At the end of the day, you have to look at what Bitcoin wants to do, but with Arbitrum, when you really take a look at it, however Bitcoin moves, it seems to be moving just a little bit more aggressively, right? So as of right now, we just have this range right here, which it broke out of, right? As you can see, it ranged, broke out, and is now pretty much trying to find a new range. Is it going to impulse higher? I don't know. It could break back down into this range, keep on trading. But that's what we have to keep an eye out for. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it does impulse higher. If it does, could pull the fib from the high to the low of the move. You'll see the 382 basically aligns with this horizontal resistance, and you also have this golden pocket above. So I could see something move like this, tap this area, maybe consolidate, keeps going higher. Or, it could just come up, reject down, consolidate a little bit, and just keep on moving down, playing around with these ranges. But if it does come down to this low, that's where I'm going to be looking for an entrance, right? To go long. That's a good spot right there. Swept the lows, reclaimed it. Hopefully some volume comes in, so shows some strength, keeps on moving higher. Now keep in mind, it could also just come down a little bit higher, sweep these lows, reclaim here, and keep on moving higher. So at the end of the day, what you want to do is just manage your position size. So you want to manage your position size and know what key levels you want to go in at, what level you're okay entering at, and if you have a short-term mindset, you want to use stop losses. If you're just scalping the market, regardless, you want to use stop losses, even if you have even a long-term mindset, right? Because what happens is if you hit the stop loss with your long-term mindset, price may continue to go lower, you'll be a little bit higher because now you could get into it at a better price, right? Some people may say long-term mindset, I can care less if price goes up, price goes down, I'm just going to hold it. Yeah, but what you can also do is, let's just say you have a long-term mindset, price comes in, you have a stop loss right around here, and this continues to keep going lower. You could have got out, you could now re-enter right around here, right? And then you'd have got a better entry, stacked up some more coins, and you'd make more money when the bull run actually starts, right? Which they say should be around mid next year, 2024. Who really knows? But based on historical data, that's the underlying facts as of now, is that it should be 2024, mid to late 2024. The peak should be around January 2025. So if you have a long-term mindset and you do end up having a stop loss, you could also set an alert at these levels, right? Which is pretty easy. You hit the horizontal line, hit alert, and then hit create only once per bar, whichever feels more comfortable, just in case if price goes down, you get stopped out, it comes back up and it's back at your level. You could get alerted that it's back at your level, so you could just re-enter at the same price that you exited at. But the smart thing to do would be maybe to set your alerts a little bit lower so you get notified earlier before it gets to your exit, so that this way you can at least get back in. But Arbitrum, I do like it. I think right now it's just like a waiting game, just like the rest of the market. If you go ahead, take a look at Bitcoin, which I also mapped out, it's just hanging out, you know. Price drop down, it's consolidating right in between this point of control and value area low. It looks like it does want to move a little bit lower to around 25,000. That was a key resistance which it broke through, never retested. So I think that if Arbitrum is to do that similar move, I could see it coming down to around these levels, right? There's a golden retracement right here, golden zone, I guess you could call it. It's like the golden pocket. This could be the golden zone. But yeah, I could see it moving down to here, $1.30. That'll be a great entry for you to just go long in, right? And once again, you want to watch it. If price breaks lower, just keep watching it. If it reclaims, shows strength around here, then that's pretty much like an entry trigger. All right. So yeah, I like the project. I think it's gonna go up. It's one of the newly launched projects. When you look at these other projects that launched, like Optimism or Aptos, you know, they basically 3 to 4x, 3 to 5x, and made some good profits. This thing already launched. On a lot of exchanges, it shows that $11 was its high. That would basically be about an 8x or so. So I'm being a little conservative. If we can get a 3 to 5x out of this project, then that would be great. You know, that would be perfect. So we'll see. We're going to keep our eyes on things. I'm going to keep on making some more videos, but that's it for Arbitrum today. If there is something that you like, put it in the comments below, and I will go ahead and chart it out for you. All right? Take it easy, guys. Thank you for joining.